Hi everyone, this is Matt from Technical Services Staffs University. In this video series, we'll be taking a look at the teleprompting system that's used within our broadcast newsroom. The vast majority of principles are also relevant to the Cadman television studio. A teleprompter, which is also known as a prompter or auto cue, is a display screen that sits just below your camera lens. A piece of glass reflects the display's output into the eye line of your presenters or casters, which allows them to read a script whilst looking into the camera lens, meaning they maintain eye contact with your audience. There are 3 teleprompters in total, located at the front of each camera on the studio floor. You'll need to make sure that each display is powered on, so unravel the mains lead from the camera pedestals and connect them to an available socket. Then use the carpet grip mats to hide the cables on the floor, to avoid any trips and falls. Also, make sure the camera control units or CCUs are powered on, as these send the scripts to the teleprompters. The CCUs can be found by the sound operator workstation in the gallery. A white arrow in the corner of each display indicates that the teleprompting system is ready to use. The teleprompting operator's workstation is the first computer that you'll see in the gallery. Just log in using your student's username and password. The software that you'll be using to add your scripts is called Q-Series Client, which can be found on the desktop. Otherwise, it can be also found in the AQ Broadcast folder from the Start menu. Importantly, Q-Series Client can be accessed from any Mac in the Broadcast or Staffs Live newsrooms that has the Windows operating system available, so users can add the scripts without needing to relocate to the teleprompting workstation in the gallery. You'll only be able to use Q-Series Client if you've had an account set up by a technical specialist. All we need is your student username, which you can either send via email or pop into the tech office in the broadcast newsroom. It should take no longer than 24 hours for your Q-Series account to be set up, but if you're still having issues, please contact a technical specialist. Double-click on the Q-Series Client icon to launch the software, and it should log you in automatically without the need for a password. The user interface is split between 2 panes, pane 1 on the left and pane 2 on the right. We're currently looking at a vertical split configuration, but you can click on the horizontal split configuration button to change it. You can resize each pane by click and dragging the border in the middle. By default, cues open in pane 1 and scripts open up in pane 2, but we'll discuss these in later videos. It's probably worth checking the status of the prompt server at this point, just in case there's any other issues. This only needs to be done on the teleprompting workstation in the gallery, not the regular machines in the newsrooms. Go to the prompt menu and then choose Show Status panel. You should see one item in this list. Click on it and then select Resume or Connect. In this video, we've looked at logging into the Q-Series Client software, switching on the teleprompters, and troubleshooting hardware issues. The remaining videos in this chapter will explain how to use the Q-Series Client software and how to operate the teleprompters when you're on air.